Hey guys, I'm Jen Frost with Faith and Fabric, and welcome to this week's edition of 3 Quick Takes. So your first quick take for the week, 2 weeks really, is that our quilt along is already halfway over. I cannot believe how fast this has gone. You guys, when I started coming up with this in probably, I'm gonna guess it was late March, early April, this was, I was just feeling like we needed something fun to do. It had been a while since we've done a quilt along. We started selling the kits, which wasn't just such of an experience. And so now I cannot believe that we are already halfway over with the quilt along. I've gotten some questions from you guys about, hey, I'm not part of the quilt along, but can I participate at a later date? The answer is yes. I'm putting a link below. I'll also put it up here. Here's a link to the video on how to make this quilt block by block. This was also something you guys had been requesting, was a video tutorial for this quilt. It's actually probably one of our most popular quilts. So I'm super excited to say there's a video out there for you guys. Your second quick update is that the quilt kits are pretty much sold out for the Good Friday quilt. I would love it if you guys can leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys like kits. This was, again, as I've mentioned before, this was something brand new that I've done with Faith and Fabric. I've never done quilt kits before, offered them to you guys. The response was great on the kits. For the small or the medium size in that beautiful pattern color I'll show you over here. And I'm curious to know, would this be something you would want restocked? Either in this color pattern or in the reds and orange. To be honest, if I did, I probably would do it in the reds and orange just to offer some alternate colors. Would you want to see other patterns that we have in kits, like the rosary pattern? Please, please, please leave me a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. If it's something that you guys are interested in and I get enough feedback on that, that's definitely something I would love to consider in a few months to get some new kits out for you.
And your third quick update, we just biked the bay.
Bike the Bay was an amazing experience. It was a 25-mile bike ride through San Diego over the Coronado Bridge. And it was extra special because my son got to ride with us. This was his first organized bike ride, and it was special for me because I've done so many of these with my family. It was so cool to have him do his first one too. So thank you for joining me today. We will see you in 2 weeks. Don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know what you think about future kits. See you soon.